Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable the reminder that helps you add image descriptions before posting on X, formerly known as Twitter. This new feature is great for accessibility and ensures that everyone can enjoy the content you share, including people using screen readers. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once the homepage loads, look towards the left side of your screen, where you'll see the main menu. From here, click on the option labeled More. This will expand a list of additional settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can find all the configuration options for your account, from security to accessibility features. When the menu opens, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section focuses on how the platform looks, feels, and interacts with both your device and your audience. Inside this menu, click on Accessibility. This is the area where X includes all its accessibility-related tools that make the platform more inclusive. Now scroll until you find the setting, labeled Receive Image Description Reminder. You'll see a checkbox or toggle next to it. Simply check the box or turn it on. What this does is activate a reminder that will appear anytime you try to post an image without adding a description. It gives you a gentle nudge to include important details in your photos so people using screen readers can understand what's being shared. Once you've enabled it, you don't need to save anything manually. Your preference is remembered automatically. From now on, whenever you tweet an image, you'll get a quick reminder if you forgot to describe it. It only takes a few extra seconds to add those descriptions, but it makes a big difference for accessibility and inclusivity online. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable the reminder to add image descriptions before sending a post on X using the new desktop update. Keeping your content accessible ensures that more people can experience and appreciate it fully. Thanks for watching.